Imagine walking into a car dealership, ready to make a purchase, only to find yourself tangled in a web of confusing terms and hidden fees. What if I told you that dealerships are using specific tactics to push you into a deal that's not in your best interest? Knowing these tactics could save you thousands of dollars and a lot of frustration. Stick around and I'll reveal these tactics, how to counter them, and ensure that you leave the dealership with both your wallet and your dignity intact. We're going to uncover the top 3 car dealership tactics that are not only misleading, but can also drain your wallet. From sneaky credit checks to the outright illegal practice of tied selling, we'll expose the strategies you need to avoid at all costs. Stay tuned until the end, where we'll give you actionable steps to protect yourself and make the smartest car purchase possible. You won't want to miss this. Red flag number 1, the unnecessary credit application. Imagine this. You walk into a dealership excited about test driving a new car, and the salesperson insists on running a credit check before you even get the keys. This might seem like a standard procedure, but it's a tactic designed to gather more information about you than necessary at this stage. Dealerships claim this is a policy for anyone taking a test drive. But here's the truth. They don't need your credit information to let you test drive a car. Why do they do this? It's simple. They want to assess your financial situation to structure the deal in a way that benefits them, not you. If they see that you have good credit, they might push for higher markups or less favorable loan terms because they know you can afford it. On the other hand, if your credit isn't as strong, they might steer you towards less desirable financing options with higher interest rates, thinking you won't have much choice. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Let's move on to another red flag that could seriously impact your purchase. Red flag number 2, refusal to allow a pre-purchase inspection. So you've found a used car you like, and now you want to make sure it's mechanically sound before making a decision. You request a pre-purchase inspection, PPI, by a third-party mechanic, but the dealership declines, citing their policy against outside inspections. This should set off alarm bells immediately. Why? A dealership that is confident in the quality and condition of its vehicles should have no problem allowing an independent inspection. When a dealership refuses, it could mean they're hiding something. Perhaps they didn't fully disclose the vehicle's history, or there might be mechanical issues they didn't properly fix. According to Consumer Reports, a PPI is crucial because it provides an unbiased assessment of the car's condition, potentially saving you from buying a vehicle with hidden problems. And that's not the only tactic you need to be aware of. There's one more that's even more deceptive and, frankly, illegal. Red flag number 3, tied selling. Tied selling is when a dealer offers you a better interest rate on your car loan only if you agree to purchase additional products, like extended warranties or insurance packages. This practice is not just unethical, it's illegal. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, clearly states that lenders cannot require you to buy additional products as a condition for receiving a loan. Yet, it happens more often than you might think. The salesperson might suggest that the bank requires the purchase of these products to approve the loan or to provide a lower interest rate. This is simply not true. Banks set their loan terms independently, and dealerships cannot legally tie the approval or the rate of your loan to the purchase of extra products. If you encounter this tactic, it's a major red flag, and you should consider walking away from the deal. Now that you know the 3 red flags to watch for, you're better equipped to navigate the tricky waters of car buying. Remember, the key is to stay informed and assertive. Don't let salespeople pressure you into making hasty decisions. Always insist on seeing the details in writing and never agree to anything that doesn't feel right. Before you head out to buy your next car, make sure you're fully prepared. In our next video, we'll cover more advanced strategies for negotiating the best deal, including how to leverage timing, dealership incentives, and special promotions to your advantage. Don't miss these insider tips that could save you even more money and make your car buying experience a breeze. And before you go, we want to hear from you. Have you ever had a dealership try any sneaky tactics on you? What did they do, and how did you respond? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story could help others avoid the same pitfalls. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car buying tips and tricks. Click on the next video now to become a car buying pro.